smoked monkey bread. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're going to be quartering our 3 cans of Pillsbury cinnamon rolls just like so. Chopping our apple pie filling. This goes into a mixing bowl. Then adding in our cinnamon rolls and mixing this just like so. Spraying the pan just like this. Now adding in our wonderful mixture. Very nice. To make our wonderful caramel sauce, we're going to be melting unsalted butter and brown sugar. Slowly cook until sugar has been absorbed. Smoke at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. And there we have it. Simple, huh? An amazing smoked monkey bread. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye!